Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply matrix transformation Spin3d effect to a live video recording in Flutter Android application using Media 3 and CameraX. So let's get started. So first what you need to do, you need to upgrade Flutter to at least Flutter 3.32.0 or higher. Otherwise you will face lot of Gradle issues because we will be introducing some Android dependencies. Second is the live video recording, the camera as well as matrix transformation Spin3d effect, all that is written via native code with Kotlin, so I'm not using any third-party library. And third, there is a small bug with video recording, unfortunately, with video playing. So once the video has been recorded, I'm saving it to external storage, and you can play that video with any videos app whatever you have in your device. But I was also trying to send the path of the saved video from native Android to Flutter and play it via video player package, but I'm not able to play it. I don't know why. So if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comments. So let's get started. As usual, I have created a Flutter application. So first you need to go to main.dart file, and here I have imported dart.io. Then I have imported this my camera view.dart, which is a dart file which I have created. So this is our project name called Flut app. So this can be anything. So this should be, typically it should be your own project name. So my project name is Flut app, that's why what I have written over here. Then you need to import material, you need to import services as well. This is the boilerplate code which is present by default. I have not changed it anything. Then here is I have refactored this my homepage widget to be a stateful widget. Now we are only interested in Flutter Android for this particular tutorial. So by default the camera permission is false for Android. Then we have this method channel for getting the camera permission. So inside the init state, if platform is Android, then we just call get camera permission. Then inside get camera permission, we just do camera permission dot invoke calling get camera permission, and if the result is true, then we just change this value to true as well. Once is permission granted is true, then only we display our camera view, else we display a text saying give camera permission. Next, coming back to this my camera view.dart file, so here I have imported dart.io. Then this is Flutter material, Flutter services, this is our video player as well as Chibi. So inside our pubspec.yaml, I have imported video player as well as Chibi. Then here this is a stateful widget which I have created. So here is a method channel called camera view. Then here video URL which is empty at the start. Then here is our video player controller as well as Chibi controller. Creation params, this is typically used to send data from Flutter to native Android side, but here we are not really sending any data, so it is empty. Inside dispose, we just dispose our Chibi controller as well as controller video player, and if video URL is not equal to empty, then we display our Chibi controller and which will play the video, but unfortunately it's not working for me like I said. And we are wrapping it with an aspect ratio as well as a container, and by default video URL is empty, right? So we are displaying the Android view which will display the camera preview as well as the record video button. So this is the view type, same string you have to use it on native Android side as well. Here is a callback call on platform view created. So this here we handle the callback method as well. So here is the case send from native. So here we get the text. Okay, then inside set state we initialize our controller, we add a listener to it as well, we set the looping, we initialize it, we initialize our Chibi controller, and then we set the video URL equal to text. Okay, and here we are getting a bunch of errors, as you can see. Like this is the error which I'm getting when I try to play the recorded video. So if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comments on how to fix it. Sorry, I'm not able to fix it. Then you need to go to the Android folder, you need to go to app, you need to open build.gradle.kts, and here inside dependencies block you need to add camera core, camera 2, camera lifecycle, camera view, camera video, then the camera media 3 effect which is still in alpha at the time of me recording this video, then Android X media 3 effect as well as Android X constraint layout. Then you need to go to Android manifest.xml, and here you need to add uses feature of Android hardware camera, camera permission, write external storage permission as well as record audio. Then you need to go to main activity.kt, and firstly you will have to add all these imports. Then here we have created one variable for getting the camera permission as well as record audio permission, and if Android version less than equal to p, we also get the write external storage permission. Then here we have the method channel result. Here we override on request permission result, and if all permissions are granted, then we just do method result dot success as true, else we do method result dot success as false. Then here we have another helper method called all permissions granted, and if all permissions are granted, then only we send true, else we send as false. Here we override configure Flutter engine. So here we register the platform view factory. So here you can see we are referencing another Kotlin file called my camera view factory over here, which is a Kotlin file. Then here we have a method channel called camera permission. Then here we do call dot method get camera permission, activity compat dot request permission, passing in the context, required permission as well as request code permissions. Okay, so that's all there is to it. Then here we have this Kotlin file called my camera view factory. So here is our Kotlin file. Now the package name which you see over here, it should be the same what you see inside your main activity. So don't blindly just copy my package name. You have to use your own package name. Rest of the code you can copy it. So this is boilerplate code which you have to write every time you want to embed a native Android view inside your Flutter application. So don't think too much, just copy paste this code. Then here we are initializing another Kotlin file called my camera view. So here you can see I have created this my camera view.kt file. Now again I'll scroll up. Again this should be your own package name. Now here we have few imports, so feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports which are there. I'll simply scroll through this. Then here we have this video capture recorder. Here we have this recording as well. Here is our process camera provider as well, and here is our camera executor service. Then here we initialize constraint layout. Here we initialize our preview view, and here is our button as well. Then here we have this method channel. Here is our file name format. Then here we initialize our layout params, assign it to constraint layout. Here is our constraint set as well, and then we assign like clone it. Then here is our viewfinder. We constrain it to all sides of the screen. Then here is our button as well, and we constrain it to the bottom of the screen. So viewfinder is basically the camera preview. Here we add a click listener to our button. Here we have the setup camera as well. Then here we start our camera. We initialize our camera executor. Here we have capture video as well. And if we assign this recording to our current recording, if that is not equal to null, we stop the recording, we make it as null. Then here we have this simple date format. Then here we do content values dot apply, passing the display name as well as MIME type, and if Android version greater than P, we also set the relative path. Then here we have this media store output options as well. Here we do video capture dot output, start our prepare recording, and if audio permissions are granted, then we just do with audio enabled. Then once the video recording has been started, we listen for the start event. Then here we just change the text of our button as well as is enabled to true. Once the video recording has finished, and if there are no error, then we just display a toast message with the URL of the video captured. So here you can see, but this is the actual video URL, but this is in form of content : / which video player package cannot understand. So I have to copy it to the app cache. So this code, so here is the method for this. So this code I have just copy pasted it from ChatGPT, but unfortunately it's not working. Like I said, we are sending the path back to Flutter side, but this is not working. I don't know why. So here we shut down our camera executor, we unbind our camera provider, we stop our recording, we make it as null. Then here we just change the text of our button as well as is enabled to true. Then here we do copy video to app cache by passing in the URI. Then we do context.content resolver open input stream, and here is our file name, here is our output file, here is our output stream as well. Again, I'm not really sure about this, like I've copied it from ChatGPT. Then here is our start camera method where we get our process camera provider. Here we get the actual camera provider, we assign it to M camera provider. Here we initialize our preview view, here we initialize our recorder, here we initialize our video capture as well. Here we get hold of our default back camera. Here is our use case group builder as well. Then here we initialize our media 3 effect. Then here we add the matrix transformation factory dot create spin3d effect. Now for this I have created a separate Kotlin file which I will show you shortly. Then here we add the media 3 effect to our use case group builder. We unbind our camera, we bind it to the life cycle. Then here we override get view, return our constraint layout, and here we override dispose, we shut down our camera executor. So yeah, now coming back to this matrix transformation factory.kt, again you have to create a Kotlin file. Make sure you use your own package name. Rest, this entire code I have just copied it from documentation. So here you can see they are using some mathematical calculation which I'm not really good at. So I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and just copy the code. It's not that big, it's only 40 lines of code. But even that I don't really understand what kind of black magic they have done it over here, so I'm not going to go into that. So yeah, that's how you can do the spin3d effect. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Now let me try to show you guys the demo. Okay guys, so here I have recorded the video, so I'll just play it. So first I'll just go to my Flutter application. I'll give the camera permission as well as record audio permission, and here you can see we have the record video button, and here is the matrix transformation spin 3d effect. So I'll just click on the record video button. Ignore this microphone not available, it is from my recording app, and here you can see I'm recording it. Now I'll just click on stop. Here you can see I'm displaying a toast message with the video URL, but here I'm not able to play it inside the video player package. So I'll just go to my files app. Here you can see the video has been recorded, and I can play it from the normal videos app. As you can see, I'm able to play it. So hopefully you got the point. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.